In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about folding your third row seats down into the floor on the 2025 Kia Carnival LXS. So if you look down here, there's quite a big storage compartment or floor space right here. And in previous videos, I've shown how large of like a cooler you can fit in this. But in this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to fold these seats down in here. All you have to do is pull this lever back like this, and then you push it down like this. And then for this one, same thing, pull this lever, folds flat like that. And then when you're ready to put the third row back up, all you have to do is lift this handle. It's gonna come and anchor on those rails. Then you can pull this latch like this, and then it's good to go. And then if you wanna adjust the tilt angle of the third row, you can do that. Or if you just wanna have it down that way, you can do that as well. So we'll do the same thing with this one. This lever that anchors in, so simple as that. So just to summarize, we'll walk through the whole process, how quick and easy it is. Just like that, and you're ready to pull back up. All right, and then you guys are good to go. So if you want to see more videos like this covering just about every feature that I have documented on this 2025 Kia Carnival LXS, be sure to subscribe and check out the playlist that I have that's going to have all the videos wrapped up in there. So as always, have a good day. Peace.